Hello, welcome to today's channel reading, and let's pull some card and see how universe is guiding us on our twin flame energy today. So today I have taken the deck, the universe has your back, and I always like this deck because there are like lot of instances when going through the separation, and we go through a phase of uncertainty, like complete darkness, complete worry about what is there in the future. During that moment, this card is a perfect guidance, for perfect intuitive guidance. This is going to answer you perfectly, that you want to know at the moment you are experiencing that upset. Every time it will give you the solution or the direction that you need to work upon, and that will make you move forward, because all through your twin flame journey, all that you have to do is keep step, like take steps forward, because when you separate, you are going to meet your twin flame. When you move forward, your twin flame is going to meet you in the forward direction, not in the past what had happened. So I'll just read it. I think it's not visible. The card says, when I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. Yes, this is so perfect. You can see say I. So what it says is, when I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. Right? And specifically when we are uncertain, all that we are deep within us, we are seeking that certainty. And only when you believe that universe is there, and it has a beautiful life for you waiting, you become certain that that beautiful life is for you. You are worthy of that beautiful life. You are co-creating that beautiful life with universe. And during all this process, you will love yourself and trust, and then you will see the change will happen within you very naturally. Okay, so let's see what is the next card. The card is, joy is the ultimate creator. Wow, right? You can only create because, first thing, why joy is the ultimate creator. When you are experiencing the pain, the suffering, the punishment, like the feeling of punishment, because there is no truth to punishment, so in all that phase, you are actually deeply desiring joy, right? You want to have a life that is full of joy, full of peace and happiness. Okay, and even to get to that point and understand that or have that manifestation in your life, first thing that you have to do is be that joy with yourself, because the more you hold that energy within yourself, you are going to attract that energy in your life, right? So that's why joy is the ultimate creator. Then it becomes very natural to say, with all this separation pain, how can I even have joy or peace at this moment? It is very easy. It's just by healing yourself and loving yourself unconditionally, you will reach that moment of joy uh, instantly. You can always follow the mirror work. That will always take you deeper. Okay, so the second card, The second card itself is the universe has my back. Okay, so what it is saying, even universe has a purpose, right? Because when you are created, universe has created each human being so that universe stays in the state of, in the vibration of joy naturally, right? Universe doesn't hold the energy of pain, suffering and punishment. It only holds the vibration of joy, love and all that thing, all the beautiful thing. It's only your ego that believes in it, and then you give power to it and you hold on to it. But you need to see, even universe has the back, universe wants you to be happy, to be joyful. So the moment, even by making a choice to be joyful, universe is going to attract those opportunities into your life that's going to make you more joyful. Maybe the effort that you have to put is just one step, and you will see universe coming towards you, taking 10 steps, taking 10 opportunities in your life. That's how beautiful is the inner work, like taking yourself into the state of joy and state of love, you attract very naturally. And the next card is, my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. All the cards are in series, right? I also have shared this energy already, but the moment you make a choice, right? Like your energy of joy, when you are desiring joy, you have to make that choice deep within yourself, that every moment I choose to be happy, I choose to be joyful, right? In that moment itself, in that just making that choice itself, you are going to attract the opportunities, those are going to make you more joyful, right? So don't hold back. The cards are consistently guiding you to choose love, to choose joy for yourself, and then see how the reality is going to change for you. So there is a advice card that I will pull. And it is like a beautiful thing, golden circle, something like that. It's saying, when I am connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. All the cards are in sync. All the cards are sync, and every card is guiding deeper into your joy. Somewhere like you are stuck in some situation, and you are not able to connect, and all these cards are just inviting you to make a choice, to enjoy your life and have joy in your life. Because the moment you even just connect with your joyful presence, you are going to attract the opportunities and the support that you are desiring to manifest the next thing in your life. And always desire to manifest a better day, a day with like a lot of energy, a day full of abundance, a day full of love for yourself. Because when you bring your attention, bring your focus in that direction, anyway you are going to manifest it, and also you are going to attract the opportunities into your life very naturally. That happens each and every time, each and every time. So just by being happy with yourself, being complete with yourself, and trusting that universe is there constantly with you, and universe wants you to be happy, to be joyful. Because there is also a deep belief that somewhere we have forgotten that we are loved, we are worthy. Oh, we are worthy of our happiness. And when we forget that, we forget the source who have created us, who have created us in a very beautiful, joyful energy. And when we have experienced our separation, somewhere we have given up believing that, even I deserve anything that is good, right? So the cards are confirming that yes, you deserve everything. All that you have to do is make a choice, release that anger and resentment that you are holding towards universe, because universe wants you to be happy only. Thank you.